Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is adverb phrase 47. The adverb phrase today is ad infinitum. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot? Do it right now. Let's get right to it. If someone says that something goes, happens, or continues ad infinitum, it means that it happens again and again without seeming to ever end. You could also replace it with forever, without end, endlessly, etc. The origin of this phrase comes directly from Latin. In Latin, ad means to, and infinitum means infinity. It basically means to infinity, and anytime you hear this, it always reminds you of Toy Story. It always reminds you of Buzz Lightyear. He says to infinity and beyond. Like he could travel in space. It'll just go on, and it will never end. That was kind of the idea if you ever watched the animated Toy Story cartoon. All right, let's continue. And here's 4 examples of just the way we would use it. All right, let's look at the first one. She would always complain about something. She just goes on ad infinitum. You could never satisfy her. So this is one way we hear it. Number 2, she feels like her son-in-law is never going to find a job. He has no ambition to even search. She worries she is going to have to support her daughter and her husband ad infinitum, forever and ever and ever and never ending. It seems like no ending in sight. Okay. Number 3, sometimes it feels like there is no way to clean up the government. It feels like corruption is going to go on ad infinitum. So there's never going to be an end to it. You hope that at least you can clean it up more than usual. But to clean it up completely, it seems like it's just going to go on ad infinitum, forever and ever without an end. And here's the last one here, number 4. The fight between good and evil has been going on since the beginning of time. And it seems like it will last ad infinitum. It'll just go on and on forever. Maybe at some point, sometimes good is a little ahead, sometimes evil is a little ahead, but the fight is always going on, so you have to choose a side to be on sometimes. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.